Leaking top insider stock trades every day until they stop us. Halloween edition. We're wrapping up the month of October, and it was actually the most bullish month for insider purchases since the market dumped back in April after Trump's tariff announcements. So we'll see if the insiders are right and the market can have a strong end of the year. Starting with the WD-40 company, this is actually a company we saw an insider purchase at a few days ago that we passed on. However, since then, 5 more insiders have now bought the stock. There have now been 3 executives, the CEO, CFO, and the general counsel, and then 3 directors that have bought a combined $500,000 of the stock in the last couple of days. These insiders also average pretty good returns with an average of 22% one-year returns after their purchases. And the only time before that a bunch of insiders at WD-40 bought the stock was back in April of 2023, and the stock shot up over 20% in the next 3 months. On top of that, the company is trading at the lower end of their historical PE range. They announced that they're going to accelerate their buybacks to complete the rest of their $30 million share repurchase program, and the stock popped after a pretty good earnings report but has faded and basically given back all of those gains. Overall, this is a pretty compelling longer-term value situation at WD-40. And now for something at the other end of the spectrum, we've got a director at Celestica buying $200 million of the stock. This is the first ever purchase by this director, and in fact, it's the first ever purchase by any insider at Celestica. The stock has been on an absolute tear, up almost 400% in the last year and well above all of its moving averages, and the company's fundamental growth has been crushing it, and they're guiding for an insane 40% increase in EPS next year. Like most of the data center companies, it looks pretty expensive compared to its history. However, it is growing crazy fast and doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. This is clearly a momentum play, but the stock is trading way above all its moving averages, and for me, I probably want to wait to see that price come down closer to the 20-day moving average or maybe even the 50-day moving average before taking a stab at it. But it's a very, very interesting setup. Head over to CEOWatcher.com to sign up, where you'll join the daily email list and can get access to the Discord.